Step into a time machine and witness some of the most significant events of the late 19th and early 20th century, brought to vivid life in full-color restorations of historic black and white photographs. This revolutionary photography collection is as close to time travel as it gets. Featuring 120 historic black and white photographs thoroughly restored and rendered in color, this book illuminates some of the most iconic moments in history, from the sinking of the Titanic to the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge. Brought to life with vibrant color, these incredible images effectively blur the distinction between past and present and bring history within arm's reach. With a timeline spanning more than 100 years, from 1839 to 1949, this unique collection will amaze history and photography buffs alike, offering new perspectives on significant moments of the 19th and 20th centuries. Presented in reverse chronological order, this enchanting book takes you back through time, one stunning colorized photograph at a time. Find the link below and buy the book now.